Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filters on a 2015 Infiniti Q40 with the V6 engine. You're going to find them located towards the front on either side. You're going to need two engine air filters, same part number 16546-JK20A. Since we're going to be using the same filter for both sides, it doesn't matter which one you use or which one goes on which side. You're going to start off by removing two clips on either side of the filter here. You're going to pull back and release the whole thing. And once you get the filter out, you can remove the old filter. You're going to have a cartridge, and then the new filter will just sit in place. Once you sit it in place, you're going to reinsert it into the air box. And just as a note, you cannot put it this way because it just won't fit. So make sure you put it in this way. You're going to push down, slide forward, and then lock down the clips. The process for the other side is going to be the exact same. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click on the top left corner over here for more videos on the Infiniti Q40. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.